Hi, I am Basuraj. Today we are going to see one of the important constraints on MySQL, that is primary key. So one of the simple MCQ question asked on this topic is, how many primary key a table can have? Option number A depends on the number of columns, only two columns, only one, only on depends on DBA. These are four options given. The right answer for this question is only one. Why? Because the primary key constraint is used to avoid the duplicate values for a particular attributes, like employee ID, which cannot be duplicated, student university number, which cannot be duplicated. So a table which is having a primary key, which can be used to refer from other tables. For those reasons, a table can have only one primary key. Let us see now how do we create the primary key in the table. And also, if you try to create a multiple primary key on the same table, my compiler is going to give you an error message. Let us switch on to the answer session. So I'm using for MySQL compiler for the answer session. Here, I'm going to create a table. I'm going to create a table called, let us say, department with the department ID as integer and department name as a string, as a group of characters, department name. Okay. Then I'm trying to create one more department location ID, which is also integer. What I do is that I'm going to give even this as a primary key, even this as a primary key, and I'm going to give the department location also as primary key, as the primary key over there. I'm trying to give two fields as primary key on a same table. So my compiler has to throw me, it is going to throw an error message. You can see that a table department is already exists. So let us change the name to department one. Okay. So let me try to do it. So again, I'm trying to give primary key. Is this, you can see that here, if I'm trying to create one more table with two columns as primary key, my compiler is throwing an error saying that my multiple primary key was defined, which is not allowed. The table will not be created. So that's the reason a table can have only one primary key, which can be referred by other tables in the future. Thank you very much.